Welcome back to Wallpaperland. Today, we're diving into a hot topic in home decor: wallpaper versus paint. Both have their own unique advantages and can completely transform a space, but which one is better for your home? Let's break it down and help you decide. Aesthetics. First, let's talk about aesthetics. Wallpaper offers a wide range of patterns, textures, and colors that can add depth and character to any room. From floral designs to geometric patterns, the options are endless. Paint, on the other hand, provides a smooth, clean look and allows for more flexibility in terms of changing colors quickly. If you want a bold statement wall, wallpaper might be your best bet. For a classic, timeless look, paint is a great choice. Durability and maintenance. Next, let's consider durability and maintenance. High-quality wallpaper can last up to 15 years or more if properly maintained, making it a long-term investment. It's also easier to clean. Paint typically needs to be refreshed every 5 to 7 years, especially in high-traffic areas. It can also be prone to chipping and stains, which may require touch-ups. Installation and removal. When it comes to installation, paint is generally quicker and easier to apply, especially if you hire a professional. You can paint a room in a day or two, depending on the size. Wallpaper installation is more time-consuming and requires precision to match patterns and avoid bubbles. However, modern peel-and-stick wallpapers have made DIY applications much easier. Removing wallpaper can be tricky and might damage the wall if not done properly, whereas repainting is usually straightforward. Versatility. Lastly, let's talk about versatility. Wallpaper allows for creative expression and can be used to create accent walls, highlight architectural features, or even cover imperfections. Paint offers versatility in color schemes and can be easily changed to keep up with trends or personal preferences. Both materials can be used together for a unique and customized look. So, which is better for home decor, wallpaper or paint? It really depends on your needs and preferences. If you want long-lasting, detailed designs, wallpaper is a fantastic choice. If you prefer a quick, flexible, and budget-friendly option, paint might be the way to go. Both have their own charm and can make your home look stunning. I hope this video helped you decide which option is best for you. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Wallpaperland for more home decor tips and ideas. Have any questions or personal experiences with wallpaper or paint? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.